Welcome to today's discussion on advanced SQL concepts focusing on subqueries and optimization techniques. First, let's look at the outline. We'll start by understanding what subqueries are and how to create them. Then, we'll explore correlated subqueries, which are dependent on the outer query. Next, we'll dive into the exists operator and its utility in filtering data. Finally, we'll compare subqueries with joins, focusing on optimization. This structured approach will guide you through the intricacies of SQL queries. Subqueries are a powerful tool in SQL. These are queries nested inside another query, commonly within the where clause. They allow you to perform complex filtering by returning data to the outer query for evaluation. For example, a subquery can compare percentages across rows, selecting languages used by a larger percentage of a country's population than another. Subqueries help manage intricate data relationships efficiently. Correlated subqueries take this one step further. Unlike regular subqueries, these depend on values from the outer query. For instance, we can use a correlated subquery to find cities with populations larger than their country's average. These queries dynamically adapt as the outer query processes each row, making them powerful for analyzing relationships in the data. The exists operator adds another layer of control to SQL queries. This operator checks if a subquery returns at least one row, allowing you to filter results based on the presence or absence of related data. For example, you might select employees who have spouses listed in another table. Exists is an efficient way to handle such conditional checks. When it comes to optimizing queries, flattening subqueries into joins is a game changer. Subqueries can often be replaced with joins to improve performance, as joins are optimized in a single pass by most database systems. For instance, a query using a subquery to find countries with cities exceeding a population threshold can be flattened into an inner join. This approach not only improves performance but also simplifies query structure. To summarize, we've explored the flexibility and power of subqueries and correlated subqueries. We've seen how the exists operator enhances SQL filtering. And finally, we've discussed the benefits of replacing subqueries with joins for better performance. These techniques are essential for mastering advanced SQL and optimizing your database queries. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.